happy person. It's been a busy summer, but I can't miss Christmas in July because I love Christmas, and I know you do too. Today I wanted to share with you a few little decor items that I worked on. This first item is this sweet little felt wreath that I think just turned out so cute. Let me know what you think, and let me know which project was your favorite at the end. Here's a question for you. Do you have a favorite permanent glue? Because I'm still using E3600 and I'm seriously not sure if it is the perfect glue for me because I really want a glue that has a super strong bond. And I'm really not sure that E3600 is the strongest I can get, but I'm trying not to buy all the glues just to try them out. So let me know what you use in the comments. So this project got me super inspired to do a bunch of other similarly themed projects, so look out for that soon. I have a lot of ideas. I also tried out my hand at adding polymer clay pieces, and it was definitely a learning curve to make the peppermint canes because you have to, or you want, obviously, to have a similar pattern. And I did my best, but that was definitely a challenge. My children thought all the miniature candies were like the coolest thing ever and wanted to steal them for their miniature play stuff, so I won there. The only polymer work I have ever done were beads when I was younger. I don't know, when we used to make them for like hemp bracelets and necklaces and stuff. So making actual figures was very different but fun. then I just baked these and set them aside. I bought this birdhouse at Michael's last year, and I wanted so badly to turn it into a gingerbread birdhouse. I think I bought like 3 of them. As you can see here, caulking was not my friend. I don't know. That looks like junk. Ah! Oh my goodness, making a mess. Oh, okay. As I was practicing, I realized that this is a lot like using a piping bag and frosting. So I converted a paper bag into a piping bag, and I tried it that way, and that ended up being pretty successful. But I ended up going back and forth between using a piping bag with caulking and just plain fabric puffy paint, which ended up being very nice, except that the bottle I had kept getting clogged. So, but I really liked the way it turned out, and that's all I can ask for. candies on the roof wouldn't stay put while it was drying, so I reapplied them after the puffy paint dried. And I think I actually used caulking as the glue because I wanted it to still look like it was sitting in snow. And I think it worked. It worked perfectly. I hope you enjoyed some Christmas inspiration in July. I never get tired of Christmas, so I had a lot of fun. I can't wait to show you some more really soon. The greatest compliment you can give is a thumbs up. Thank you for giving me a moment of your time, and have a lovely day. Bye.